Well, I got the arms on. They're on a little bit crooked. One's higher than the other, but you know, it's folk art. It's a sock monkey. Okay, it's not a, it's not brain surgery. So monkey surgery. So it's actually all right. You know, one's higher than the other. It's folk art. You know, sock monkey is a form of American folk art, and I think if there's not a sock monkey in the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York, there should be. But anyway, I'm at this point. We're getting close to done. We're going to finish stuffing until he's about the right, consistency. I like kind of a sort of a soft, squishy sock monkey, kind of like he is now. I could still put a lot of stuffing into this guy. One thing is, if you overstuff something like this, you'll actually start to see the sock start to stretch out, and even to the point where you can start to see the stuffing in the inside of the sock monkey between the holes in the knit. So you really don't want to go that far with it. So I'm kind of at this kind of point where I think I'm ready to stuff the legs. And so, I kind of have everything attached. The legs are still limp. I'm going to go ahead and stuff them. But once I do that, this project ought to take on a life of its own.